சைடு ஆண்டனாவை போட்டுருவோம் சார். இந்த ஆண்டனாவை போட்டு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்புறம் இந்த சென்டர் ஆண்டனா டெலஸ்கோப்பிக் ஆண்டனா, இந்த ஆண்டனா கீழே இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. கீழே இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இந்த டெலஸ்கோப்பிக் ஆண்டனா ரெண்டாவது வரும். இது வந்து மேலே இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இந்த அடுத்த ஆண்டனா வந்து இந்த சைடு, இது கீழே இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பார்த்துட்டு இந்த பெரிய ஆண்டனா இது கீழே வந்துடும். இதை பிடிச்சி திருக்கணும், அங்கே திருக்கணும். இதை இப்படி திருக்கிட்டு இந்த இந்த பகுதி மேலே வர்ற மாதிரி செட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இதை வந்து பெண்ட் பண்ணி விட்ற மாதிரி. ஸோ இதை வந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஹேண்டில் வந்து இதில் வந்து ஒரு வி நாச்சு இருக்கும். வி நாச்சு, இந்த வி நாச்சு வந்து இந்த இங்கே உள்ள அந்த வி நாச்சு கேப்பில் போய் செட் ஆகிற மாதிரி செட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இப்போ எல்லாம் முடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் யூனிட் ரெடியான பிறகு ஒரு 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 ஸ்பேஸ் ஒரு நார்த் சவுத்தில் போயிட்டு நீங்கள் ஹோல்ட் பண்ணால் தெரியும். ஷேடட் ஏரியா இருக்கிறேன். 3 வாட்டர் காட்டும் சார். கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர், நேச்சுரல் வாட்டர், சலைன் வாட்டர் காட்டும். கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டருக்கு வந்து பொதுவாக அண்டர் கிரவுண்டில் உள்ள வாட்டர் எல்லாமே கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர். நேச்சுரல் வாட்டருக்கு வந்து ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாக ராஜஸ்தான் சைடெல்லாம் ட்ரில் போட்டு தண்ணி இவ்வளோ சேர்த்து வைப்பாங்க. அது சப்போஸ் மூடிட்டாங்கன்னு சொன்னால் அந்த பாயிண்ட் எங்கேயும் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது நேச்சுரல் வாட்டர். இப்போ சலைன் வாட்டர்னால் கோஸ்டல் ஏரியாவில் வந்து சலைன் வாட்டர். இப்போ நம்ம வந்து வி ஆர் கோயிங் ஃபார் கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர் சார். கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர் யூ ஹேவ் டு செலக்ட். மேபி சாருக்கு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இப்போ ஒரு 200 மீட்டர் இருக்குது சார். 200 மீட்டர்னால் இன்ட்டு 3 போட்டுக்காங்க. இன்ட்டு 3 போட்டால் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து 600 அடி ஆகிடும். 600 அடி. அப்போ நான் வந்து இப்போ நான் ஒரு 400 அடி, அதாவது இப்போ இங்கே 300 அடி 350 அடியில் தண்ணி வருதுன்னா ஒரு 400 450 செட் பண்ணிக்கிடலாம். அப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணிக்கிடுதேன். 150 மீட்ரு சார். அப்போ 150 இன்ட்டு 3ன்னு சொன்னால் 450 மீட்ரு, 450 அடி சார். 450 அடியில் எனக்கு தண்ணி வரணும். தண்ணி இருக்கிற சோர்ஸை மட்டும் காட்டுன்னு சொல்லி இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுத்தாச்சு. அப்போ ஐ ஹவ் செட் ஃபார் 450 feet. ஓகே. So I said okay. It's a corner. So what I have to do is I have to catch the machine like this or like this, one point over here. So I have to catch like this, and what I do is I will freely hang it. Okay. So this area just chuma. I put it like this and I leave it to find out the direction. It is searching. Yeah, it is searching. In the searching mode. So it finally at standstill come to some point. So what I am doing is I will be holding at this point, but I have to put my hand over here. Okay. So what I will do is I will hold it like this and I will leave it at this point. Okay. Then I will start moving in this direction. If it points to certain directions, then I have to align my body. I have to catch the machine and I have to align my body. I align my body like this. Okay. Then I move in this direction. Then I have to align my body. When it starts rotating, then you can put your hand a little bit stretched, sir. Okay, otherwise it may hit against you. So once it rotates, then you can fix this point. Okay, once this rotates, you can fix this point. You can fix this point. So let me take this direction. I walk this across. Okay. Actually, okay. This is north, sir. Okay, north. This is south direction. So go to a corner of the flat. Go to corner of an area. So try to search from the north to south direction. As per the magnetic inflow direction, you try to stay.
North to south.
So we came from the position, we came across the north direction and found the point located here. Then you from this point you go in the southwest direction, still further. Okay. Hold it like this. When the machine turns back, that's the influence of this point. So you can stop this point over. Okay? Whether that point is so this point you can confirm it. Okay? Once this point is confirmed, so this is fine. So get the confirmation from here. Okay, it stops at this point. Okay. So then this way I will direct try to confirm this. So I'll get it degree, 10 degree from this point. Okay, 10 feet from here. Okay, start going in the opposite direction. Huh? This way.
Okay, that's
Ah,
parallel way.
parallel. So if it turns back and indicates to the center, stop it. Then you have to move like this.
Yes.
And it has to indicate that point. I was 10 feet away.
Okay. The parallel.
Parallel. If it turns back, stop. Then move in this way. If it indicates, then stop. So you can also make a rectangle. If the area is small, you can make a rectangle and get it confirmed. So now this point is confirmed. Once this point is confirmed, so now it will say finish. Searching finished. Searching finished.
Okay, these are all we have to do.
This all till now. So once even finish comes also, you do all the procedure.
Okay, okay.
You thoroughly check, no problem.
Okay.
It will override the data. So we don't want to worry about finish.
Okay.
But finally check whether finish comes.
Okay.
But you can do all the checking.
Okay.
Once this comes, you can put OK. Goes for depth search. Depth search. Now this is only point. You have located till now the point. Now the depth search. So depth search. So mark this point. So this means that the bore point has influence till this point, but that is a maximum center point. But influence is there. Okay. So you have to go like this.
Northwest.
Yeah. Hold it and like. Depth search is over. Now finish also comes. Okay, we go for. So 94 138 2.7 sir. 2.77 inch means 2 point. You can say 2.5 inch. Round it up. 2.5 inch water. One source is at 94. The other source is at 138.
Okay.
So 94 you can
Average
94 into 3 sir.
Okay.
So 94 into 3 means 90 into 3 270. Almost 290.
100
sir.
into 3.
100 into 3. So you can take almost 300 meters, roughly 300 meters, 300 feet, one source. 130, 140 into 3. 140, 280 plus 140. Almost 280, then 360. Another source is there.
Okay.
So this average, if you go across this one, 2.77. But if the water comes before 94 meters, then there is a capability of more water. If it goes down, there is a possibility of less water.
Okay. Adi.
This is over. So now this is reported page. Now we are going to give the 3D map. So for 3D map, what we are going to do is app info. You have to go to app info. You have to go to app permissions. Okay. Location. You should make it on. And storage. You have to make it allow. Okay. So once this is done, and come back to the app. Open it. Okay. Then you have to pair the machine with the mobile. So for pairing the machine with the mobile, go here. Wi-Fi. So click this Wi-Fi and switch on Wi-Fi. It says GeoPinex 3D. First time it will ask password. Second time automatically it will connect. First time, since we have connected many times, it was automatically connected. Okay. Connected. No internet. Because it is connected only with the machine. So once this is over, come back here. Once you come back here, there are many operations I will show in the app. Okay. So now go to the report page. Okay, report page. And report page, like the report page comes across. So with respect to the date, this is a mini report and with a timestamp. Now you go here and refresh it. The data comes 94.1. Whatever the data in the machine, the data comes over here. Okay. Now you enter the client name. For example, Ramesh. Surveyor.
Yes.
Surveyor.
Surveyor Radhakrishna.
Radha. Okay, Radha. Okay. So it comes with the geolocation. In the particular location. Okay. So this information comes across. So what I do is, now I save the report. Save. This is a mini report. Okay. Data inserted. This message will come. Once I save it, data inserted. Message will come. This is a saving.
Yes.
Once this is over. So now I want to send the data to the cloud geophysical data interface, so that whatever the 3D data collected by the instrument will be fitted over there and it will be returned back. So what I do is, I switch off the pairing with the machine. I switch off mobile data. Mobile data is on. So then what I do is, I can come back and I can go here, pack up. First I went to report, next I go to pack up. So this data is there. 26 February 2021. We are taking the data at 1:40 p.m. This data, I open the data. The data comes. Whatever the data saved by me, the data comes. Okay. And even if you want to see the location, you can click here. It will take you to the location. So wherever we are located, that location also we will get it. Okay. So this is one point. This location we are here. Okay. And further, to come back, I send the data to the cloud. This is sending it. This
Ready sending
it. Sending it. Report file ready. You have to wait for this message. Report file ready. Once that file message comes, you can download it. So downloading happens. When downloading finish, I can see Ramesh rotation profile. This is rotation profile. I click here. Open it.
Zip file, right?
Zip file. Extract files to which place? Extract files to maybe
some new
browser.
folder.
Maybe new browser. Okay. Some browser. Extract. The data Ramesh rotation profile is extracted. So I have all the files. All the files means figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4 and the complete PDF. So now we are going to see about this AccuFinder 3D machine. So after the field test, the machine shows that water comes at 114 and 170 and the yield is 2.71. 114, 170 and yield is 2.71 inches. So now once the field data comes to the unit, then we are taking the unit to our unit for satellite 3D data mapping. So for that purpose, what we are going to do, we are opening the mobile app. The company provides a mobile app. We are opening the company mobile app by the name GeoPinex. We are opening this company mobile app. The interface opens. Buttons are given to control the machine. That I will show it later. and also there is a speech recognition AI inbuilt technology where you can able to say the commands and executed it. Now let us come to the explanation of this how to take 3D data. So what I have to do is the new app with the speech AI speech recognition technology. It will recognize your own voice. So now we are going to the report page to generate the satellite 3D data. So here we are going and we have to select the report page. So the small report interface opens. Then in this report page opens, you have to take the machine data. You have to acquire all the 3D generated profile data to the mobile phone. So what I have to do is I have to click this refresh button, so that fetch button, it will fetch the data from the system. You can see minimum depth, maximum depth and TPHD, inch water output. So now, and after that the client data, geolocation data, and geolocation comes automatically from the machine. It is mentioned over here, geolocation. We are going to take the data. It's a mini survey report. We are going to fetch the data from the machine. So now I am going to fetch the data by pressing this button. I press this button, you see the data is fetched 114, 170, whatever the data present in the screen, 2.0, the data is fetched, and all the 3D dynamics, the complete CSV file will be taken to the mobile phone for satellite data imaging. And once this comes, we can enter the client name. Client name is like for example, I am in the Mr. Babu. I have entered client data as Mr. Babu and surveyor name as Mr. Selvam. Mr. Selvam. I have entered both the data over here. So client is for whom I am finding the point, and surveyor is me myself or whoever the surveyor it is. So we have entered the data. Then this entered details for future reference and for the customer survey report, mini report, we are taking this data saved. So we have to go here and press the save button. So data is inserted. Data gets inserted. Once the data gets inserted, then we have to send it for satellite image mapping to generate the 3D profile. So for that, you have to switch off this connection with the unit, pairing connection with the unit, GeoPinex 3D. You have to switch it off, and we have to connect the mobile data. Once it is done, then we can go back and coming to this page. We are here. Then we have to select the 3 dots and we have to go to the backup. Backup means the data which is being stored, the backup. So we are at the backup. See the data now I have taken. Mr. Babu, 11th February and 12:50. The date and time stamp it is there. So this data I am going to generate the 3D profile, that is the satellite mapping. So I click here, this data comes. For example, you have a doubt whether this point is correct or not, you can click this link to go to the map location and find it out. So if you click this, click this, it will take you to the map location where the data is taken. So once you can see the location, okay, verify the location, you can come back and you can see in the backup page. So now you can upload the data for satellite image mapping, 3D profile mapping. So I am uploading the data by pressing this one, upload button. So you see after some time, once the data is processed, it will say report file ready, message comes. So now your 3D profile data is ready. So now I have to press the download button to generate the data, to download the data. I am pressing this green button to download the data. And you see here the data is getting downloaded by the arrow mark. Once it is downloaded, I can scroll it down. I can see Mr. Babu rotation profile is ready. So I click it. So it is a complete file with all the PDF reports and image files. So I click it once again. I open it and I go to extract to which file I have to extract. So I will select a folder and I will extract it. So you see after some time of the extraction, I will get the complete folder with all the profile maps and the PDF report. And you can see, watch over here, and it's like yeah, you see Mr. Babu rotation profile is here over. So I click it and I click and I can get all the profile data. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, 3-dimensional figure and PDF report and the CSV file. all the reports I can get it over here. So now I click this image one, and it gives me the image. It gives me the image of the vertical, horizontal depth and vertical surface profile. So the fourth point is the center point, or 4.5 is the center point on the surface, and this is the vertical depth. So at this point water comes. So these are the information about the hard rocks. For example, dark brown is dark red color is the hard rock and soft rock, and blue color is the water bearing structure. So this way I will get all the different profiles. Figure 2, latitude longitude mapping, and this is the frequency profile mapping, and this is the 3-dimensional profile mapping. So 3-dimensionally surface, depth, and the machine frequency details are obtained. So these are the 4 figures, and the complete PDF report will be over here. You see 3-dimensional profile and the report, survey report, 3-dimensional profile, 2-dimensional profile, latitude long, machine frequency, and the complete report about the quality of the sources, source 1, source 2, source 3, and total hole depth to be drilled, and rock strength analysis, water quantum, water quality, salinity of the water, and you can also get the permeability factor of the groundwater. Okay, permeability factor. Okay. Now probably you have seen the report. Then probably now this is like you can able to control it through control the device using the mobile also through the voice recognition system inbuilt engine, and probably let me show how you are able to control the machine using this mobile. So I just press the back button. So we are at this page, first page, groundwater, saline water, natural water, and saline water selection. So now I am going to speak so that you can see these togglings. Like if I say home, it goes to the home button. If I say up, it increments the cursor. If I say down, it increments the cursor. And if I say enter, it goes to the next page. So you can see that in operation. For example, I click this voice recognition thing, and I say up, down, down. I say down. See, it goes to the down thing. So once I spoke, it goes to the down thing. Now I say go up, the cursor goes up, 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 up. See, I say up executed, and the cursor moves to the up position. So through this voice recognition command, you can able to control the entire machine. You can do all the operations of the machine which you are doing by the buttons using this voice recognition software, and all things are inbuilt in such a way that you can able to control your device through the voice recognition or through the button system. Through the button system, probably you can go to the control activity and control activity activator. So you can see I can press the down button, you can see the cursor moving down, up button, the cursor moving up. So all the operations can be controlled using the mobile interface. So without touching the machine, it can be controlled. And also the machine is being provided with the wireless headphone, so that you can wear it and you can wear the system, and you can give command to the software. For example, let me see, down, the cursor moves down. Okay, now I am going to say up, it moves to the up. So you can use this headset via the headset, and also you can control your mobile phone. So the charging for the headset, and all the charger port, the charger, everything is industrial truck suitcase.
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ